Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this very pretty owl greeting card which looks like this and can be prepared by kids also. So give this video a big thumbs up and look at the tutorial now. So let's start making the beautiful greeting card. So in the first step I'm taking this A4 size white sheet and I'll fold it into half like this. Now what I'll do is, I'll take a pink origami paper. I'm taking it because I wanted the size. So this is a pink tint wing color. And now I'll take the template. I have cut a heart, so I'll just trace it on it. You just need to take a 15 by 15 centimeter heart. Just trace this. So this way I've drawn the heart and now I will cut it with the help of a scissor. So this way I have cut a heart and now you have to stick it here with the help of a Fevicol. Stick it here in the center, and now what I will do is, now I am taking two white hearts like this and you have to paste it here. Small sized white hearts and just stick them like this here. Now for their eyeballs I have cut two sheets, two small circles like this, and now I will stick it in both the eyes. First I'll take this eyeball and stick it like this here, and now the second eyeball here like this. Now I will take a small orange heart which I will be pasting here as a nose. Like this. And now I will take two red hearts of good big size and I will paste them like this here. We will just apply some glue stick it like this horizontally. This part also stick here in front of it. And now I will take two orange hearts for the leg and we'll paste them like this. And the second one also here like this. So this looks very pretty, and now what we will do is, I will write I love you here. I and now I will make an outline this way. And now what I'll do is, I will take a red oil pastel and I will color this whole heart red like this. like this I've colored, and now what I'll do is I'll put some dots of Fevicol here. Like this, and here I will paste some small hearts. So like this, our very pretty owl greeting card is ready for Valentine's Day, and it looks very pretty and can be prepared by kids also. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how was the video, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye guys, meet you in my next video.